You're on your way to work, already running late. And just when you think traffic is finally moving, boom, brake lights. There's an accident up ahead. Maybe it's blocking a lane, maybe it's just rubberneckers slowing down to look, but now you're stuck. Again. You feel the frustration building. Your hands grip the wheel at 10 and 2 a little tighter, and you think, if I had just left 5 minutes earlier, I wouldn't be in this mess. Or worse, if people just knew how to drive, we wouldn't be sitting here right now. I get it, because I've been there too. Hi, I'm Randy Keith, and I spent over a decade reporting on traffic in Los Angeles, one of the most congested cities in the world. Nearly every morning and evening, I was up in the sky or in the studio helping commuters like you navigate the chaos. And in all those years, one thing became clear to me. Traffic isn't just about cars on the road. It's about people. And if we change the way we think about driving, we can actually make commuting easier. Not just for ourselves, but for everyone. Look, I know what it's like to feel like you have to fight your way through traffic. You see someone speeding ahead and your instinct is to keep up. Someone cuts you off and you feel that rush of anger. You think, I'm not letting that guy get ahead of me. Sound familiar? The truth is, we've been conditioned to think of driving as a competition. That every red light, every merge, every mile is a battle. And the worst part, it doesn't actually get us there any faster. Studies show that aggressive driving, tailgating, sudden lane changes, and speeding doesn't significantly reduce commute times. It just increases stress, increases the chance of accidents, and makes everyone around us and in our vehicle more miserable. So here's what I want to offer you today. The chance to shift your mindset. The commute you deserve isn't one where you're constantly frustrated. It's one where you're in control, not of the traffic, but of how you react to it. Because here's the reality. You're not just a commuter. You're part of a system. And every decision you make behind the wheel, whether it's letting someone merge, keeping a safe following distance, or just choosing to take a deep breath instead of honking, affects everyone else on the road. I'm not saying you have to be passive. I'm saying you can be smart, strategic. You can learn how to anticipate traffic patterns, understand the psychology of drivers around you, and make choices that actually help you get where you're going with less stress. That's what this podcast is about. Not just traffic reports, not just tips, but real practical ways to change how you experience driving. We'll talk about what actually works to improve your commute, debunk common myths about traffic and road rage, and explore how cities around the world are handling congestion. And most importantly, we'll figure out how to make your daily drive something you don't just survive, but actually master. So if you're ready to let go of old habits, if you're ready to stop feeling like every drive is a fight, then stick with me. Because I promise there is a better way to commute, and I'm here to help you find it. If today's episode resonated with you, make sure to subscribe to the podcast by hitting that follow button in the app that you are listening to me on right now, so you never miss an update. I'd also love to hear from you. Tell me what's traffic like where you are. Whether you're navigating Seattle's freeways, stuck in a New York gridlock, or any city in the country in between. If you're dodging scooters in Paris, or dealing with the chaos of Mumbai or Hong Kong, I want to know your story. What frustrates you? What's working in your city? And what lessons can we learn from each other? And for my fellow traffic nerds out there, the ones who can talk for hours about freeway design, transit systems, and why some intersections just don't work, I see you. This is our space to dig into the details, debate the best and worst traffic models, and obsess over maps and urban planning. So let's connect and geek out together. Email me at freewaytrafficexpert@gmail.com. And take our Drive Smart quiz at drivesmartquiz.com to see how your driving habits compare to the average commuter. And stay tuned, because in a future episode, I'll be bringing in your feedback, sharing insights from around the world, and helping us all rethink how we move through our cities. Let's make the world a little smaller, maybe smarter too, and learn from each other in mastering the commute.